Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up your encryption key on Proton Mail. So the first thing that you will have to do once you've logged into your Proton Mail is you will just go to your settings and then you will just have to wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just scroll down a little until you see encryption and keys. So what you will have to do once you see it is you will just have to scroll down until you see generate key. So what you will have to do is click generate a new key, and then click generate key again, and then you will just enter your password, and then after that, after entering your password, you will be able to generate your new key, and then of course you will have to back up that key and save the key safely in a secure location. And you could also apply the key and activate it for sending emails and receiving encrypted emails. And you could also test the encryption by sending a test mail to ensure that the key works correctly. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.